Welcome back to the English class. Today let us see question and answers first. Why was Sweet Notes Orchestra in Pune? Sweet Notes Orchestra in Pune to give a concert, to do a performance in Balagandharva Auditorium. What difficulties did Sunanda face while learning the violin? At the young age, Sunanda took much time to learn how to hold the violin properly, and while playing, her chin and left shoulder get pain and aches. Right? How is violin played? Violin is played with the help of the bow across the string to produce the sound. What is the role of a violin player in an orchestra? The role of a violin player in an orchestra is to give a nice melody. Doubling the last consonant for past tense verb. Let us learn today, children, the past tense, present and past tense. See here, they get some word. Reached, trained, mentioned, sipped. Present tense will be reached. Past tense will be reached. Only they have added the ed. Train, trained. Mention, mentioned. Sip, here they have added the p and ed. Sipped. Why they added the p? Let us see. To convert the verb into the past tense, we need to add ed. As I mentioned here, ed is added to convert the word from present to past. Notice this, the word sipped. S-I-P sip, S-I-double-P-E-D sipped. Why double P came? If the last consonant is doubled before adding ed to the word, there are three letters S-I-P. See, S is the consonant, okay, I is the vowel, and P is again consonant. So it comes in a CVC pattern. If CVC pattern last three words are there, then the last letter is doubled. Sipped. Right? Here we not doubled because these two are ovals, so not doubled. Ovals. Ovals. Not double. It should, the middle one should be oval and these two both consonant. Then only it will get doubled. For example, and one more, children, one more rule we have to keep in mind. If X or W is there, like fixed, fixed, X will not get doubled. Wherever the X and W ending word is there, it will not get doubled. Only one time we have to write, like fix, fixed, mix, mixed. Right? Got it? Saw, solved. Right, children? You need to add some examples. See, children, here B-A-T, bat. Let's check whether it is in a CVC pattern or not. B is a consonant, A is the vowel, C is the consonant. Yes, it is in the CVC pattern. So we need to write B-A-T-T. If this pattern is there, then the letter should be doubled. And by adding ed, it will become past tense. Right? Brush. B-R-U-S-H. See, this it is a CVC pattern or not? No. This is not a CVC pattern. So for brush, only need to add ed. Let's check for this, children. P-L-A-N. C is this CVC pattern. Yes, this is the CVC pattern. Yes, children. So we need to double the N and add ed to make it doubling word, and by adding ed it will become past tense. Now hate, H-A-T-E. Let's check. See, A is the vowel, V is the vowel. See, so this is not a CVC pattern. So we need to add only ed to make it the past tense of the hated. And see here, mix. If the word ends with the x, we need not to do double, just add ed and make it past tense, mixed. Right? Shop. H is the consonant, O is the vowel, P is the consonant. Yes, this comes in a CBC pattern. So we need to double the letter B, means double time P, and by adding ed it will become shopped. Again, stop, S-T-O-P, stop, C-B-C-S, C consonant, vowel, consonant. So we need to add P to it and again ed. We have to double it and add ed. Stopped. Check. C-H-E-C-K. C, vowel, consonant, consonant. No, it is not in the pattern. So we need add only ed. So it will become checked. And trap. T-R-A-P, trap. R is the consonant, A is the vowel, C is the consonant. So we need to double the P here and by adding trapped it will become past tense. Bow. If the word ends with W, we need not to add double this one, just add ed to make it past tense. Bowed.